How to fix no signal issues in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn offline mode, open setting, scroll down, click on network and internet and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off flight mode from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting, open settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset mobile network setting and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no signal issues in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.